How to try out the new look of the Scotiabank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the look of your Scotiabank Online. So previously, as you can see, this is basically the look of Scotiabank Online as of now. It looks quite outdated for 2024, but recently Scotiabank have added a new interface, which looks somewhat like this, which is really pretty, and it somewhat resembles the mobile app, and it also looks modern and more functional. So in this video I'll show you how you can achieve this. So what you'll have to do is basically go to scotiabank.com and simply sign into your account. After that, you can see the option called important notice a change is coming to Scotia Online. So what you'll have to do is basically tap on the option try out now, and as soon as you do that, you'll basically be taken to this page, and this will be the home screen of your Scotiabank Online for the rest of the time. And if you face any technical difficulties or some features or options are missing, you can always go back to the classic view by simply tapping on your profile, which is on the top right side of your screen. After that, tapping on the option back to classic view. So that is basically how you get the new look of Scotiabank Online. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.